What is going on, guys? And today we have a very special unboxing because today we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. I know, that's a really long name. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, like the first generation, my expectations were actually super low. I tried it out, I reviewed it. If you guys haven't checked out the review, check it out. But I was really impressed with it, so I'm really excited to actually see what's new with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. So let's go ahead and do it. So a new feature in the Active 2 is the rotating bezel. With all the Galaxy Watches, not the Active, but all of them, they've had this bezel where you turn and the actual watch interacted with the bezel. This doesn't happen here, but it has gestures now. I'm just really excited to... Gosh, always, unboxings. But I'm really excited to actually see how it performs. Now, by the way, hold on a second. I got the 40mm in space gray. Why is it in French? Samsung, why are you giving me the box in French? Anyways, let's do it. I'm super excited. And shaboom. Wow, not fancy packaging. In the top of the box, we actually get some paperwork. Let's go ahead and check it out. What is in here? Do we get Samsung stickers? That would be pretty cool. Okay, no, it's just warranty and more warranty info. And here we go. Here is the actual watch. Wow, that is some not awesome packaging. The Apple Watch has, like, probably one of my favorite things about the Apple Watch, about buying an Apple Watch every year, is the unboxing experience. The unboxing experience that you will get with the Galaxy Watch Active is not amazing. But either way, who cares about packagings? All we care about is the actual phone. Here's the actual charger, pretty similar to the Apple Watch, and here is the actual Galaxy Watch Active 2. And that's it. We don't get anything else in the box. And here it is. One of the new features also in the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is that we now get ECG, but it's still not FDA approved, so technically there's still no ECG yet, but it's supposedly coming very soon. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Buddy, hello? Hello? Why are you not turning on, buddy? Do I need to charge you? Yep. Oh no, never mind. There you go, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Also new with this watch is improved health tracking, improved heart rate monitoring. The heart rate, before there was 4 LEDs, there are now 8, so we should be seeing improved heart rate. I'm really excited to compare it with the actual Apple Watch. The Sport Band, by the way, is super different than the Apple Watch. Hold on, let me show you. I mean, it's not that different, but it is different. As you guys can see, this is like more like the classic feel, and Apple just kind of made it different. I really like this because it's like really sporty, but the actual buckle feels pretty classic. I like it. Why is everything in French? Why is my box in French? I literally just got this out of Amazon. Why is everything in... I mean, no hate to the French, to my French subscribers, but I'm not French. Samsung, I am not French.